You should be honest with your work. I'm being late to the office. I'll talk to you later. I have been playing cricket. If you see these three examples, then in the first sentence I used be. In the second sentence I used been. And in the third sentence I used been. So be, being, been. Do you know about the be, been, being? Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rajendra. Today I'm going to talk about very interesting topic and which is a confusing topic, that is the be, being and the been topic. Most of the people have confusion between these three forms of the be, when to use be, when to use been and when to use the being, and these your confusion is going to clear in this video. So without wasting time, let's get started with this video and stay tuned with this video at the last moment. So before moving ahead with this video, I'd like to give you few background about the be so that all your concept about the be forms will be crystal clear. So any verb has a five forms, that is the V1, V2, V3, V4 and the V5, as you already know. And the be is also one auxiliary verb, or sometimes it's work as a main verb. So be is also having the five forms. So what are those five forms? The first V1 form is the base form, that is the be. That's right, the be is the base form, that is the V1. And the V2, the past form of the be is was verb. V3, that is the past participle form, is been. And V4, that is the present participle form, is being. And V5, that is the present form, is or am. So these are the five forms of the be. So now you might have got idea, that is the be is the base form of be, and being is the present participle, and been is the past participle. So today we are going to talk about, or today we are focusing more about the be, been and being, and more precisely I'm talking more about the be, because if I'll explain all those concepts in this video, then this video will become so lengthy and I don't wanna make it so lengthy. So I'm dividing each videos. Like in this video I'm talking about be. In the coming couple of videos I'll be talking on the been and the being. So in this video we are talking more about the be, where the scenario and where the application of the be is. So let's get started with this video. So the be can be used in the modal verb or with the modal verb. Most of the time you can, or you might have seen, or you might have observed, or you might have listened, the be comes with the modal verb. So see, first scenario, the be can be used with the modal verb. For example, he will be at the home. Will be, will be. She should be at the kitchen. Should be. That is, you should be honest with your work. Should be. He must be rich person. Must be. This hotel might be 5-star. Might be. You can be a doctor. Can be. It could be like that. Could be. So all these sentences are the modal verb sentences, and most of the time be is used with the modal verbs. So in another scenarios, in the passive form of the modals, we can also use the be. For example, lecture will be delivered. Will be delivered. Machine will be operated. That is the passive form of the modals where the be can be used. So in another scenarios, that is the future continuous tense, we can also use the be form. For example, I will be playing cricket. I will be going to the Mumbai. I will be preparing for the competitive exam. So these examples are the future continuous tense where the be can be used. In another form, we can use the be in another context or the scenario, that is the imperative sentences. In the imperative sentences, most of the time you can found the be form. For example, don't be a crazy, or be aware of dogs, be aware while driving, be cautious. So these are the imperative sentence where most of the time be is being used. So be can be used in the passive form of the imperative sentence as well. For example, let the door be opened. Let the door be opened. So this is the passive form of the imperative sentence. So I hope all your doubt about the bee might have cleared in this video. Still, if you have any doubt about the bee or use of the bee, then let me know in the comment. I will be happy to address all your doubts. So stay tuned with my channel for the being and the bean video, which will come soon. So thank you very much for being with me for this video. I'll get back to you with another video. Take care. Bye bye.